Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes laptop showing white screen on Windows 11, 10 fix it fast. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, Windows and B keys. Second method is press Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys. Third method, press Ctrl, Alt and Delete keys. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.